do there?
We're gonna explore.
You gonna explore?
It's gone 17.
All right, well, you better go catch up with them. Go, go, they're gone. They're behind you.
So they're right there.
Who? No, they're not. The people walking the dog? They just went that way.
That way?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna go explore 17.
There you go. The people.
Hey, stop running into me. Get your license or something.
Don't need mojo cars. I don't need license.
Yeah, he told you. Got a bunch of dirt all over my socks. Nice. Thanks, bud. Appreciate that. Oh, that was on accident? Was it? Was it?
Yeah.
Huh. It's almost like I told you 3 times already since we've been here today not to drive it on people, but yeah, it must have been an accident. Huh. Try to back it up. Try to back it up. Don't pick it up. Try to get out of it. There you go. Now turn it. Yeah, just like that. Now go forward. No, don't pick it up. Don't pick it up. You got it. Just go forward. Yeah.
This, I think this is where the deer was.
Yeah.
We need to go find it.
How about that deer right there? I think that's the one. That's weird that you just said that, because there's a deer literally walking through the woods right there. Come stand right next to me, you'll see it. It's just eating the bush right there. You see it?
It's right there, yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool. Let's keep going, not bug it.
That's scary, right?
Yeah, so you can put your truck down and keep playing. We're gonna do a loop and go back. Hey. Got me a koozie. Yeah. Finders keepers. It's also f***ing raining, and that's pretty gonna happen. So, you know, I just walked out there and found this, so life ain't so bad.
Really? You
Yeah,
kidding me?
I swear to God, I'm f***ing laying in the road right there. So
Shit.
it's mine now. Did you get it unlocked yet?
Going to Iraq on Monday.